Breaking news, people. News just hit the public. My God. Rapper Takeoff from the Migos group loses life early this morning. My. Him and Quavo was on a particular scene in Houston or on a particular block. They were gambling, throwing dice, you understand me? Until an altercation breaking out. And somebody pop off the matic and start open fire at Takeoff. And him just get fatal shot that him dead right on the scene. Just wow. Jaja. Everybody have to know Migos, you know, because Migos did at one at the time them. When I say at, and I'm not talk about a joke at, I'm not talk about just no pepper at. The youth them did steaming, and Takeoff did actually about for make a name for himself. Because in the group, people don't really gravitate to Takeoff like that in the group, you know. But when he sing a song individually, them time the people gravitate to him. That's what I say. Him did all for make a name for himself. But right now, that just cut short. My.
On the jungle and they got a coat, I bet I come out with a man. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me.
Like, it's so sad for see a next young black American rapper lose him life like this. A next young black American individual lost them life over some stupidity. Some words set as stupid things. Can you believe that? Over a dice game, you know. This rapper Takeoff out of the Migos group, one of the hottest group, and you gonna tell me say you play dice game and lose your life? Wow, bro, that is not you. First thing first, why most of them rappers don't like walk with bodyguard? Why them like put themselves in a certain spot, in certain areas, and certain block, and no say the man them who them associate with themselves with at some crack skull, meaning some simple set of things will jump off and them man will shoot you. The business of how much money you have, what you're worth, them not care whether you're successful or whether you can be or going to be successful. You understand what I mean? So the rapper them need to change their mindset, change the way how them approach them day or night or evening, because why? You don't know when it's gonna be a last. As I said before, right now, Takeoff. I'm last dice game that. I'm last time walking with Quavo, one of him group members, also his family. My.
She still want for me. Just the relationship of fuckery. As my put in.
Who don't like him? They don't like him. May I be tell you straight. So if you're not ready to go up on stage, don't ask Popcaan to call it up on stage if you're not ready. So you better go training camp. So you tell him, go to the what?
When you hear people talk about the cornerstone where the builder refuse can be the same head cornerstone, this is the prime example of that figure of speech. Because you know why? Valiant, Fada, Dipo, my God. The youth did around Popcaan. We never sure if him signed with Popcaan, you know, but guess what? Him did in at the unruly camp. The youth that look a bus from Popcaan. You understand what I mean? And nonetheless, Popcaan call the youth up on a stage. Can see the youth no fully grasp the idea then of performing in front of too much people then. You understand me? So the youth catch a little stage fright. Him still do him thing, you know. But nonetheless, in the middle of the performance, Popcaan pass the man for tell the man say him not ready for go on back at training camp. Wow, this is not it. Look upon the youth now. Him throw off the training wheel. Look upon the youth now. This just go to show you say when I hear time, I just hear time. No at all can't stop it. Cause probably him being on Popcaan and a par with Popcaan, I just never feel time that. Him never forget the bus that way. Cause probably if him they get the bus that way, who know, a good old hell and powder was turn over upon him career. Popcaan gonna tell him say, hey Juvenile, me control your career. Do this, do that. You understand what I mean? That's why Certain things happen in life, you cannot complain. Father God no make mistakes. You understand what I mean? You say certain bad things will reach you. You gotta feel say, yo, yeah, assault, you know. But I don't even know, say, Father God, I prep you for something good. Something good is there for you. Not just bad I come all the while. Like I look pan Valiant, no. As I keep on saying. Look pan the youth, no. The youth don't need a training wheel. He don't need advice. The youth I take over away rapidly. You know, say, come to think of it, I show you an example what I mean by the youth I take over away. From Skeng Bus, a whole heap of young artists bus and catch a hot fever, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. Them catch a hot fever with all a 3-4 song, and then after that, them drop all a foolish song. But the youth, yeah, him have the consistency. The youth have the body of work I put in. The youth now just contemplate or I tell himself, say, yeah, I'm there here already, you know, I make it. No, the youth still a keep him foot on the gas because why? Him have a whole heap of people for prove wrong. Popcaan is the main person or the youth have a show say. A youth tell me some more and chain and wheel, you know. Look at me now.
Jeans on my shoes like Gucci and the shirt for proving. Them boy they new be I'm a bitch them bougie and my lifestyle movie. Elite bubble park, a exhaust on the muffler. So all you feel chopping and a duffel bag. And I'm a science, I'm a go for star. We buy your sense of lead, I'm a buy a lead, but I never touch me. Tell funny to get up feet, cause you see the top me, say you know it. Same sense like, I'm a high low, no afraid of high looks. For money they a pile up, those eyes up, till we can't up.
Hey, so the next thing I'm respect with Valiant, Fada Dipo. The youth, tech, unruly boss, 876 God, Popcaan, foolish advice. Or take in constructive criticism. Cause either way, enough people that preach say a negative comments that Popcaan give the youth. But the youth not pretty negative way. The youth put it in a positive light. The youth could have built enough disrespect song towards Popcaan, you know. Or the youth could have walk and bring Popcaan name, say Popcaan blight to them career, Popcaan do this team career. Nonetheless, the youth choose not to. The youth choose to make him body a work speed for him. Him not do too much talking for talk about the past, for talk about Tom, John and Harry. No. The youth a put in music to the people in ears. So guess what? All who never did want to hear the man after hear the man right now. You say all them people where Popcaan are forced for believe say the youth not ready. Right now the whole of them people are rock to the youth music. So look upon that. Just let me know what you think about everything. Just leave some RIP in the comment section. RIP for Takeoff, the Migos member that lose his life. My God. And also the disrespect where Valiant get throughout him career by Popcaan and him still turn out to do and to be such a wonderful artist. Just leave your opinion down in the comment section because when I reach this far, you reach the end of another lovely video. Continue help people grow in the community by fly kicking over the like button, box down the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified and every time your boy drop in a banging video. Continue help people grow the community. Tell a friend, subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. I'm your host. Until next time.
Fada Dipo.
Fada.
Fully.
You catch it alive?
Outside alive. Bumbo class.